Are you creating YouTube videos? Well, if you are, I've got something really exciting to share with you. It's no secret that online, short form video is taking over. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, but I'll tell you where I believe a real opportunity exists, and that's with YouTube Shorts. Now, there's a really cool feature that YouTube just gave us on their actual iPhone app, maybe on Android as well, where you can create YouTube Shorts from existing videos. So if you got existing videos, this is going to be really exciting for you. Stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert, and if this is the first time that you've been on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis, and I want to make sure that you get access to them. All right, so let's dive in. Let's go to it. YouTube Shorts. Boy, you've made a whole bunch of videos. You're not sure what to do with them. Well, guess what? YouTube just gave you the ability to take actual long-form videos and chop them up real easily and make YouTube Shorts out of them. You could do this with old videos. And the really cool thing is that YouTube will provide a link back to the original video. Now, if you're not familiar with Shorts, it gives you the opportunity to really capitalize on the short form video revolution, so to speak. And you can drive traffic back to older videos. This is a really, really cool way to get out there and start creating shorts very, very quickly. All right, so let's dive in. We're going to go over to the app, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, so here we are in the app, okay? Now, once you're in the app, you're going to find the video that you want to do. And you can see I've already got a bunch of YouTube Shorts. I'm going to choose this one right here. Are you making videos for your online business? Playing, so we're going to go ahead and mute that real quick. And what you'll see is right here, it's very, very simple. This little create button right here where you can see it highlight, you click that, and what'll happen is this little window will pop up and you're going to choose edit into a short. You click that. And it's well, if you are, I'm going to you can pause it here. And what'll happen is you can then choose your clip. Now, I want to show you, if you look in the top right here, you see the little number 15. You can switch between 15 and 60 very easily. Now remember, as of right now, at least in my app, there's only two choices. So I like to go with the 60. That gives you a little bit more leeway just in case you're a little bit over 15. And then what you'll do is you'll use these sliders to go back and forth to choose your little segment. So when you do this, the video is going to start playing. I'm going to go ahead and just choose a section to show you and demonstrate, and then we'll go from there. So you grab the sliders with your fingers, choose right about. You can scroll through the video to find out which parts you like. Let's see here. And we'll go right here. Okay, so we'll say 24 seconds. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So there we go. Let's say we're going to choose that 24-second segment. We click next. Now it's going to continue to go into talk mode. Okay, I can't pause it here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis and I want to make sure that you get to see them. And we'll go next. Okay, so now we can put our text anywhere in the video. And then, all right, so once it does that, we can then go ahead and put in our caption. Okay, so we can put on our caption and that's it. Now I recommend adding 1 to 2 or 3 hashtags in there if you can fit them. Now you only allowed up to 100. Let's see, is it characters? Yes, it's characters that you can put in there. So you don't have a lot of space. You want to have a short title that grabs them. And if you can get 1 to 3, hashtags in there, and that will help. Once you've done that and you're done, you just click done and then upload shorts. And that's it. So you can start going through all your old videos and really turning them into shorts. So what do you think? A pretty cool feature, huh? Look, if you've made a whole bunch of YouTube videos, you can go and make shorts out of those videos now. Now, it's important to know you can only do this on your own channel. Now, there is another feature that you can do where you can take little snippets of other people's videos, but you can only do up to 5 seconds, and then you have to comment on it. So they only want you to take one little part, and then you can do that. But put the focus right now on taking your old videos and creating shorts out of them. Shorts are extremely popular. Now, very important, when you upload a short, it will put a link right on it back to the original video. So if you say something profound in the short, you may get people that click through and go and actually watch the full video. Now, here's a bonus tip for you, just in case you don't know. Here we go. All right, so I want to show you something really cool that not a lot of people know about. But inside of YouTube, when you upload a video, you actually have the ability to put a comment. You can be the first to comment, and you can put a link in that comment and then pin that comment to the top. Now, on every single short that you create, you should put the first comment and put a link to your website there. You could also use that as a call to action to let people know to check your comments. Look at this. So here's a video
but if you notice,
let's pause it.
especially,
All right. And look in the comments. We have nothing there yet. Watch this. And I'll say, for more tips, tricks, and strategies, check out my blog at, and we'll just add that in here. Oops, made a little bit of a mistake there. Let's go back and fix that. And there you go. Now we can post that comment right there on this video. And look what happens. It creates an actual link that people can click and then go over to the website. Okay. Now let's go back there. And what we want to do is click on these three little, dots over on the right and click pin. All right. So now if we go back to that one of those videos and we look right here, and we click into it.
but if you
pause this, and we can look here, click into the comments. Now it doesn't show, but if we go right up here and click newest first, you'll see that the comment pops right up. So that will be pinned. Everybody will be able to see that comment when they come to the comment section. They can then click on that and go to your website and opt in and do whatever you want. So use that as a bonus way to get people to your website. All right, so what'd you think? Really cool way to start getting videos out there using your existing content. So if you don't have YouTube Shorts, make sure you do that. Now, if you're always looking for ways to create videos and you're running out of ideas, I created a PDF called the 101 Video Creation Ideas. Go to markharbert.com/101 or look in the description of this video and I'll provide you the link. All right, hope you got some value here and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.